Walk up a bit, walk up a bit. Ready defenses up front, walk up a bit. Yo, southwest shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest shallow now. Defense now, full defend now. Oh, they fake. Yo, ready defenses. Yo, come back inside. Yo, careful. Yo, help Alucard come back. Kill Alucard up front, okay? Yo, hold on it. Yo, you see west side outside. Yo, west side outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side outside now. Okay, come back fast. You ready? Defenses up front. Help my front come back. Defense shallow now. Good. Just hold, boys. Nice bedrock. No, just hold, boys. Oof.
How many locusts do you have? One?
I'm not sure. I think one only. Percent the gate. 60. Another blob bridge. Okay. Get ready. Southwest. Wait. Yo, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. I'm ready. Defenses. Yo, I need my DPS to hit that shit, man. Defense now. Full defend now. Full defense. Peel up. Yo, ready. Yo, southwest shallow. Get ready. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow. Ready defenses. Yo, help my west side. Come northeast. Yo, one eye on TC, please. Defense shallow. May def tank. Kill my def tank. Yo, why guys too deep? Hill front. Fast. Why guys coming outside there? Yo, come northeast. Mas hustle kalaban si,
Blob northeast.
Mas hustle kalaban si Jacob kasi dun. TFT. Yo, faster DPS, follow. Yo, look at southeast, get ready.
Smoke.
Yo, southeast shallow, get ready. Wait, come back. Yo, one eye on TFT. Tell me what TFT is doing. Still bonking. I come back northwest. I come back southeast, walk southeast. Yo, southeast shallow, get ready. Southeast shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Andito left tank. I come back fast. You're ready, defense, help my front. Ready, come back inside, boys. Okay, come back northwest. Come back inside. Come back inside. Yo, can you fucking talk?
They're being flanked by TFB.
Hindi, they're not.
TFB's.
Yo, careful.
Yeah.
Just careful. Just hold, okay? Okay, where's TC now? Tell me where TC is.
First gate broken.
Yo, careful west side. What are they engaging on? Come east side. Ready. Yo, look at the gate east side, get ready. On the gate east side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate east side now. Yo, come back fast. Yo, come southwest. Where's TFT now? They clicking it. Come, click it. Okay. Come walk up. Ready defenses up front, okay? Careful front. Yo, careful. Yo, the jug is stacking, careful. How many percent the other gate? 21. Yo, come inside first. Come north. Yo, careful over the wall, Ready defenses, Dev tank, so get ready, Careful over the wall, careful over the wall. Come middle, come middle, come middle, come middle everyone. Yo, defense outside now, defense outside now. Helps outside, helps outside. Okay. Yo, come middle, come middle, come middle, come middle. Just hold middle first. Yeah, help my people at the east side. Okay. So,
Heal Butchoy, heal Butchoy.
where's Butchoy? Heal nyo Butchoy, west side. Healers. Healers! Healers! Likod nyo! Are you blind? Oh, careful, careful. Yo, careful. Let them pass the choke. Let them pass the choke, okay? Come west side. Come west side. Come west side. Come west side, guys. Come west side. Okay. Yo, hold northwest side. Pa-bedrock lang ng TC sa, east side. Yo, careful over the wall southwest. Careful over the wall southwest. Yo, bam, too deep. Let them in the choke. Let them in the choke. I want them to funnel in the choke. Okay? Yo, Leandro, once they step up, you fake agad. Okay. Yo, careful. They're oh, hindi, Leandro. Come back ka.
Minute chest.
Yo, they're gonna funnel in soon, careful. Bedrocks in the front. Just bedrock them out of the choke first, okay? Just hold first, boys. Just hold first, okay?
Second.
Yeah, they're gonna walk up soon. Careful front. Careful my death tanks up front. Yo, Maverick stepping up, Careful people at the west side. Yo, careful people at the west side. Ready defenses west side. Okay. Give me a fake now. Southeast. Give me a fake southeast. Hold on. Come back. Yo, come back. Okay. Yo, careful sa jug, careful sa jug. Jug stacking, careful. Open the chest, one. Okay, just chill. Yo, give me a fake again, Leandro. Yo, careful, jug stacking still, Yo, Leandro, where are you? Give me a fake. Okay. Yo, careful. Yo, piece in the jug. Yo, defense now, full defend now. Yo, get ready, Saudi shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Saudi shallow now. Come back west side. What I'm talking about. Be careful.
If you go east side, you can let both of them.
Yeah, I can see.
If you go small door.
I'll chill first. Yeah, come east side, boys. Okay, now come back. Yo, don't stay at the choke. There. Death miss. Come back, okay. Walk out west. Yo, everyone get ready. Yo, my DPS get ready. Come back north. They might engage over the wall, careful. Come back any. Naka miss side here. Come back middle. Yo, careful death tanks. Careful over the wall. Yo, help, Alakart. Kill Alakart pa rin. Low yan. Yo, careful, TFT stepping up, Yo, death tanks, careful there at the choke. Yo, careful over the wall. just hold.
Yung mga sa southwest wall, ma-engagean kayo dyan ah.
Yo, careful death tanks there at the choke You don't need to stay at the choke. You can let them funnel in, okay? Yo, walk up. Southeast over the wall, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast over the wall only. Come back now. Come back fast. Hold on, boys. Hold on, okay? Wait lang. Yo, help my front here. Help southeast side. Nobody's stepping up at all. Come back. Yeah, death tanks, you don't need to hold that choke. What the choke I'm talking about is here. It's this side. Just let them in.
Listen, left tanks, the play here is we're baiting them to sandwich each other, man. Don't let let them have the opportunity to sandwich each other, man.
Yeah, I need scouts outside. What are they doing?
Going out?
Boring naman ito.
Hey, what's happening outside?
Yeah.
What's happening outside? Where's TFT now?
Oh, ingat kayo dyan, naka-dismount na sila.
Yo, come back.
Southeast
Come back.
Nag-walking up yung wrapping around yung TFD.
Are you sure? Do I have one eye on them? Okay. Now come southeast.
Dismounted pa rin itong ano, yung TC, southeast.
Okay. Yo, run. Regroup on me. Yo, boys, regroup on me, everyone.
This is walking in.
Come back.
Patay.
Bogot.
Bobo, tangina. Hindi ba sinabihan ka na?
Nagbabak na ako eh. Biglang
Di ba support yung role mo? Diba?
Say sorry or
Homie def.
Come back, walk west side. Yo, careful front, help me front. Come back west side, everyone, come back west side. Cleanse my death tanks. Yo, peel. Ready, defend shallow now. Okay, walk up a bit. Yo, shallow on the death tanks only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow on the death tank inside. Inside. Come back now. Come back.
Yeah, fuel flank them. Fuel flank them.
Did they flank? No, I think TFT zone
Yeah,
northeast.
look at the small blob. Small blob southeast.
Come northeast now. Walk
Yeah,
up.
they know.
Walk up now. Come back. Careful over the wall. Yo, southeast over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast over the wall now. Nice.
TFT sandwich them.
Okay, wait. Hold only. Come west side now.
Yeah, walk in. You can.
Come east side now. What's
Yeah,
TFT
just
doing?
walk in.
Come east side now. Come south, okay? Yo, walk in to the choke. Give me a fake on the choke now. Ayan, bro. Give me a fake on the choke, okay? Come back now. Come back north. Southeast on the choke only, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on the choke, shallow only. Yo, come back now. Peel, death tank, peel. Have my front. Peel. Come back northwest. Yo, Mavericks inside, spread. Keep walking west side. Keep coming west side, okay? Defense shallow now. Poppy pass here. Defense. Heal up. Yo, defenses, where are you? I don't see my demons. Okay? Come west side more. Okay? Keep coming west, okay? Walk up east now. You lock east shallow, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow now. Come back now. Yo, bedrock spill. Yo, help front.
They're coming in from west.
Okay, come northeast. Yo, enter middle. Yo, careful southwest, Careful southwest.
What is this?
Help my front. Oh, careful na. Come back north.
Walang ditang sa west eh.
Oh, yung D-tanks ko, namatay dun dalawa. Nag-funnel sila sa choke, imbes na mag-stop. Hold.
TFD stepping in at our guard.
They're walking back. Yo, southeast over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill my breaker. Come back now.
Southwest, careful. Oh my god.
Yo, What's happening southwest?
Kaya nag-over the wall sila.
Pero walang tech.
Ano, mid pala ako kanina.
Yo, careful, careful. Yo, can I get a good perma engagement sana? My perma's been missing all day.
Looking east side, northeast.
Walk up. Yo, look at me over the wall Wait. Come back. Don't let the jug stop.
TC stepping out ulit. Oh, stepping in again.
Okay.
Sa courtyard din yung TC ah.
Fusion. Okay, wait.
Oh, they moving in na, pugin na, sa west side na, southwest mo na.
Yo, ready, defense. Full defend now. Oh my god, def tanks. Walk in. Give me a fake west side. Give me a fake west side. Walk in, boys. Walk in. Yo, get ready. Walk in. Oh, everyone pop your pots now. West side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now on the crowd. Clap this. Nice. Spread. Hold only. Spread. Ready defenses in the middle. Careful northeast. Two clumped up there. Come southwest a bit. Careful on the stairs, okay? Ready defenses, Spread defense now. Oh, okay. Just hold northwest side, boys. Hold northwest side, okay? Come west side more. Look at south, wait. Come east side. Look at east side on TFD. Get ready. East side on TFD. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side on TFD now, boys.
Stop.
Come back.